Hey everyone. So in the previous video, you saw that my campaigns have a different name, maybe a little bit more unique than just your average new lead generation campaign and new traffic campaign. This video, I wanted to go over them, what are the ideas behind them, and how you can use them for your campaigns. So I use different naming for the campaign, ad set, and the ads level. And here are two examples for the campaign level. You can see it might look confusing, but let me help you out. So the first three letters is the name of the agency, just shortened. So maybe the starting letters of each word, and the next three numbers is the audience stage. So 001 is cold, 002 is a warm audience, and 003 is a retargeting campaign. Next up, we have just a few words, details about the offer, just something simple for the internal team to understand. Next up, we have the campaign objective, which is new leads in this campaign. And lastly, we have the goal of the campaign, what we want to achieve with these ads. So the first campaign, we want to book a call. Next campaign, we want them to register on the website. And guess what the last one is? It's the date. Crazy, right? Okay, on the ad set level, I have copy testing and creatives testing. I have already created a previous video about this, so you can check it in the top right corner. The first half or the first quarter of the naming is again the agency name, the first three letters, and then the numbers afterwards are the ad copy number. So in the previous video, you will also see the explanation for this one. I use an ad copy worksheet, and each ad copy, each description, and each headline has a different number assigned to it. If it's just one number, it means I'm testing one ad copy with different creatives, so that's a creatives testing campaign. And if it's multiple numbers, then it's a copy testing ad set, which means I'm just having one creative and testing multiple ad copies. These numbers mean that it's a mile radius around a given location, so maybe plus 20-mile radius of Los Angeles, and the US is just a country, obviously. Next up, we have the age targeting, and you can see both campaigns target male and female. Next, we have the main interests we are targeting. So top 25% income and luxury resorts. And the next one means just automated targeting and 7-day click. So usually I start my campaign with automated targeting, and after a few days I check which platform gives me the most results, but usually it's Facebook and Instagram feed. And here we also mention the offer, the CRV, which stands for conversion leads. So this will guarantee higher quality leads for you. And then again, we have a copy testing and the creative testing adset. Okay, next up on the ads level, we again have the agency name and the number of the ad copy. Then we have the name of the ad creative, then headline number and description number from the ad copy worksheet. And then again, I mentioned the offer. And then for just quick access, again, I mention if it's a copy testing or a creatives testing adset. So this video is based on a previous one where I explained the difference between copy and creatives testing. So make sure to check it out and it will make more sense. And if you have any more questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you. Thank you.